Smoothies are the absolute hack when it comes to simple drinks that you can whip up within 5 minutes. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you a very easy and simple 2-ingredient smoothie, which is going to turn out amazing, creamy, and delicious. So keep watching and learn the 2 ingredients. You're going to start off by peeling your mangoes, and I have 6 for this recipe. So I'm going to cut the top part of the mango and make sure to wash your mangoes also, the outside. Then I'm going to peel. Once I'm done, I'm going to chop the flesh of the mango, and the mango smells incredible. So I have my blender, which is nice and clean. I'm going to cut the mangoes and place in the blender. Mangoes are almost coming to an end, and actually it's going to be very sad because we'll have to wait until November. When done, I'm going to pick my second mango and peel and repeat until I'm done. When using a sharp knife, it's going to be very easy for you to peel your mango. Just move your mango around as you're peeling, and the knife is going to slide underneath the skin. Six mangoes is quite a lot. As you can see, my blender is full to the brim. So the next step is going to be adding in some milk, which is going to add in creaminess to our mango smoothie. I'm going to add in one and a third cup of milk. I'm going to add in a little bit more milk because it's very thick. When done, you're going to serve your smoothie into a glass. Just look how creamy it's looking. Cover my glass, add a straw. My mango smoothie has turned out amazing. As you can see, I love the color. We have a very light yellowish color and it's super creamy. It's sweet because the mangoes are sweet. So if you happen to have some mangoes which are not too sweet, you can add in a tablespoon or 2 of sugar. So this recipe, as you can see, it's a very big batch because I've already served. I still have some more which I'm going to be placing in the fridge so that it can chill and the kids are going to enjoy. So this recipe is totally worth trying because we have only 2 ingredients.